I'd do just a brief recap of my trading today. I did not go live. Instead, I kind of just hunkered down, traded by myself, taking a day off. There was some personal matter that came up. But anyway, I thought I'd show you the Tradeovate platform here that I've been using, and I can full screen this section. This is basically how I ended the day. And unfortunately, I did kind of break my rule of two trades maximum today because both my first two trades were both losers, and I just really didn't feel satisfied once I got done with those two trades. Should I have walked away? Probably, but I did kind of see very high probability setup after I got out of my second trade, and um, I have to admit, I did jump back in, but I was able to flip green on the day and come away with like 300 bucks. So you can see these two losers came first, back to back, and then from there I had a small base hit on the Nasdaq, and then I went long on ES for a nice move. So you can kind of see all this here if you look at the chart. I really like how you can kind of hover over and see your exact kind of entries, exits, and P&L. So my first trade was a long off the open. We have this overnight range. We've been chopping back and forth, and this really was a mistake, just getting long in the middle of the range. I know better than to do that. That was just super stupid. Um, that was just not good, and there's really no way around it. So that was a dumb trade, and I was up and down on that one, but ultimately I stopped out as we cracked below the low of the range here at 83, and then as we broke down below the low of the range, I literally shorted the exact low here. 80 did end up holding, so in hindsight, this was a little bit over eager. Probably should waited for 75 or something for more confirmation that we're really kind of breaking down. But this was kind of just a quick washout, and I did end up getting short, but I quickly covered that. But it was a decent hit there because it just popped up so quickly, and I did hesitate like a little bit. But then kind of right after I stopped out, I waited. I had a trade on NQ, and this was just a really small base hit here, but I ended up getting long as we started squeezing back up. So kind of stopped out of my trade um, on the ES there as we started pushing back up, and then I got long on NQ, and I just ended up just kind of taking the base hit because I was up on it, and then I was kind of down on it here, and I really wasn't willing to um, lose on a third trade in a row. So I really wanted to just take that little base hit to kind of get the momentum in the right direction. But then I did quickly flip back to long again on the ES here, and I caught um, this nice move here. This was in at 89 and out at 06. Right after I got out, it pumped another 6 points or so. Um, and so unfortunately, I didn't get um, as much as I probably could have if I had just been a little bit more patient. Um, and then right here, you see that it's actually a short and then a cover. That was a complete mistake. I did not mean to do that at all. I literally was like doing some other things, and I'm lucky I caught it when I did because yesterday I turned off the voice audio notification of when you take a position. So if I were to take a position right now, it would say like order filled in my headset, so like I can hear that. And at first I thought it was annoying, but now I just I literally was like doing something else, and I looked over at my platform, and I was short. I was short an ES contract, and I was down like $100 on it, and I was like, what the hell? Like this is not good. I don't like that at all. So I was ended up short, and I literally was a little bit patient, and I just waited and got out of the position there. But for I guess I got $12.50, but just to cover the commissions. But in hindsight, maybe I should have just accepted that it was going to be a small L and just cut it. But I waited for a small pullback and I was able to get out. But I was just really frustrated by that, and anyway, so that rubbed me the wrong way. But because I didn't have the audio notification, I didn't even know it happened. So I just look over my computer and I was short in yes contract. I'm like, I do not want to be short right now, at all. Um, so anyway, I am, as you can see now, long two MES contracts. And so one of the nice things about Trade Evade, and I've gotten a few comments now saying, um, Austin, like because you're only taking like a few trades a day, you really don't need to worry about commissions that much. Like TOS should be, you should be fine to trade in TOS, and I fully agree with that. But one of the nice things about Trade Evade is, on these days where maybe, um, I want kind of to soak more of the move and take I get to play with sizing a little bit more in Tradeovate because of those lower commissions. I feel a little bit more comfortable taking those positions in MES and leaving some runners on to the long side. So right now you can see I've got two MES contracts and I'm up about $75 on those. And my target is going to be up at 30 or so. But anyway, so I'm really kind of happy that with Tradeovate because I'm able to kind of take these MES contracts with and not worry about commissions as much. And I think these MES contracts are just like 25 cents from Tradeovate is all that they cost per contract. I mean, of course, plus the other fees in there, but anyway, so I'm able to leave this kind of long runner on because I like the long. I think we probably continue higher here for a little bit more. It might not be too much more, but uh, okay, why is it, let me change this. Continuous auto fit off so I can do this. Yeah, so um, anyway, so I think maybe we get up to 30, 35, or yeah, 30 would be my target on this. But anyway, that's kind of besides the point. I just wanted to come on here and share my trading with you guys today. So I started with two losers, and then I caught a little base hit, and then a nice winner to finish the day, and finishing up about 300 on the day in the Tradeovate account. And my Tradeovate account is pretty small, so um, I want to limit that downside, but unfortunately I did have 700, and you can see in the performance center here, I did have $737 of drawdown before that profit came in. So anyway, yeah, but I was able to catch that nice winner. I benefit from the fact that my winners are typically going to be bigger than my losers are. And so that's definitely good. But this really should say 4 trades with a runner. So that one trade there was just a scratch trade, total accident, which was very scary that found myself short. But it's really 2 winning trades, 2 losing trades, and 4 trades with the runner that's on right now to the upside. So um, that's all I got for you guys. Quick recap today, and I will be back live tomorrow morning. So definitely join the stream tomorrow morning. And guys, let me know in the comments if you would rather just see this screen. I could do my charting on a different. I could have my thinkorswim in a different screen, and we could just have this be on stream, or we could stay with the TOS. And I'm trying to figure out how to allow my P&L to kind of show on stream. So I'll try to figure that out. But either way, you guys let me know what you guys would prefer. And as always, join the Discord. It's been a lot of got a lot of good talk in there, and that community is starting to grow a little bit faster. So I'm really pleased with that. And as always, if you guys did appreciate this video, this recap, please hit that like button to let me know, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. And again, I will be back tomorrow morning streaming at 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. So join me for that. Can't wait to see you all there. All right, that's it from me, guys. Bye bye.